Hi everyone. Today, let's explore custom visuals in Power BI. They're a great way to expand beyond the standard visuals provided. With over 450 custom visuals available, these extensions enhance your data visualization. To access them, head over to AppSource, where you'll find all these amazing visuals. Alternatively, click the three-dot menu on your screen and choose Get More Visuals. Once in the Get More Visuals section, explore the diverse range of visuals, more than 450 visuals that you can choose from. Let's say we add the Play Axis visual. This feature allows you to animate reports, making data changes over time more visual and interactive. Adding these visuals to your reports is easy. You can customize them by right-clicking and selecting Pin to Visualizations pane. This makes the visual a permanent feature for you within Power BI Desktop. Let's delve into the Play Axis visual, a powerful tool in Power BI. This feature animates your reports, showcasing data changes over time. Make sure you have no other visuals selected. Click on the visual. By connecting a year column from your dataset, you can visualize how data evolves yearly. Hit play and watch the changes. This feature adds an interactive layer, perfect for analyzing year-over-year data shifts or other time-based variations within your reports. Another fantastic feature is the Report Page Tooltips. Tooltips in Power BI offer a dynamic way to present data insights. They replace the standard gray information boxes, allowing you to craft custom information displays when users hover over data points. To set up a tooltip, start by creating an additional page within your report. Once the new page is created, transform it into a tooltip page by enabling the Allow Use as Tooltip feature from the Format section underneath the page information. This action converts the page into a tooltip-ready canvas, ready for your customization. After converting the page, you can populate it with visuals, insights, or specific data points that you want to showcase when users interact with the tooltip. For instance, you might add a card visual to display a measure for total banks and a map to visualize geographic data by bringing in the total number of banks, and the location is going to be city-state. After creating the tooltip page and adding visuals, you might encounter issues with data mapping on certain visuals, especially maps. This occurs because Power BI might not recognize certain data fields as geographic fields by default. To resolve this, the concept of data categories comes into play. It allows you to specify how Power BI interprets the data fields, particularly for geographic data. For instance, let's say you have a city-state column in your dataset. By default, Power BI might not recognize this as geographic information suitable for mapping. To enable mapping, you would select the city-state column and access the data category property. In this scenario, you'd set the data category to place. This action informs Power BI that the city-state column contains location-based data, allowing it to be correctly interpreted for mapping purposes. Once you've created the tooltip page and visuals, sometimes certain visuals, particularly maps, might not automatically recognize specific data fields, like state, for mapping purposes within Power BI. To ensure the state column's recognition for tooltips, you'd need to include it within the Tooltip section's properties on the report page. This step tells Power BI to filter the tooltip specifically based on the state column, enabling accurate and relevant data display when interacting with your report's visuals. Once set up, the tooltip serves as an interactive feature. When users hover over a defined data point, instead of the standard information box, they get a customized display that might include charts, maps, or other visualizations. This enhances user experience by offering detailed insights in a visually engaging manner, allowing for a deeper exploration of the data within the report. Lastly, let's add another page for the feature called Button Navigator, found under the Insert menu in Power BI, simplifies navigation within reports. It's an effortless way to create clickable buttons, enabling users to switch between different report pages seamlessly. This feature generates a button for each page in your report, streamlining the user experience by facilitating quick access and navigation across various sections of the report. Publishing a Power BI report involves sharing your local work via the Power BI desktop to the Power BI service. Once published, the report is accessible through a web browser in the Power BI service, enabling remote access for collaborators. It allows for data-driven decision-making and offers collaboration features and data refresh scheduling to enhance analysis capabilities. Remember, this was a high-speed run-through, so feel free to rewind and explore these functionalities in depth. And don't worry about following every click in this recorded session, you can rewatch and learn at your pace. Stay curious, as there's much more to discover in Power BI's vast range of features. Thanks for watching.